Hi guys, welcome to Patterns Decoder channel. This channel is about technical analysis on cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and altcoins. My interest is to find similar patterns in market and analyze it. Basically, I believe in the wave theories and Fibonacci ratios. Markets are everywhere. Patterns are formed by the psychological behavior between the buyers and sellers. We have to figure out where we are in the market and how to analyze. If you're new to my channel, for weekly updates of Bitcoin and altcoins like Ethereum and XRP, please click like subscribe button so that you can get the notification to watch my videos. Let's go through it. Where we are in the BTC USDT weekly update. If you see in my previous video, I have already explained where we are in the market. See, this is the daily chart. Let us go to the weekly chart. Okay, I already explained this is the zone where we are in the market. Let us go through it. This is the same scenario what we are seeing. Let us zoom out and let us see in the 4-hour chart for our better understanding the same scenario where we are in the market. I already explained this entire cycle is similar to this entire cycle. So let us go to straight to the point. Watch out my previous video for better understanding of the weekly chart. I am straightly going to the present cycle. See this cycle, what we are seeing here, and this cycle almost similar. Let us go to the line chart for our better understanding. See, this is the bottom and this is the bottom. It went up in waveforms like this wave and second wave. This is the top and this is the top. If you see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, it has taken a longer period. 3, 4, 5, it has been found. So what now the still going on right now is, just zoom out. Let us have a better look of it. What I am saying here, see this correction of sideways correction is still pending. What I am expecting the same thing. See, this correction is still pending in the BTC pattern cycle. So what I am expecting is the same thing will happen here. See, so it went up and it doesn't cross this top. So what I'm expecting is, just if you see here, it went up and it going in a sideways momentum has been decreased. Let us go to the stock RSI, what it is showing. See, it is already reached above the level of 96 and is almost yet to reach. Maybe in the next 1 or 2 days, maybe it's already about within 1 day it will go to 100. I am expecting within this week that it will go for a sideways correction. Maybe it will retest this retesting will be done for $10,000, $10,200, because there is a resistance zone here at the $10,200. See here, it has been, maybe it went on below that also. So I'm expecting retest of 10,200 is minimum thing which has to be done to this support level. So this is the thing with them. This pattern is invalidated if at all BTC will go through in the daily chart or 4 hours chart, the daily closing above this 11,184. If at all it has been happened, this pattern will be invalidated and it will go for the bull market for $14,500, as I explained in the weekly chart in the previous thing. So what I am expecting here is, if you go through it, see, the stock RSI is already reached top. I am expecting the momentum has been slow here. There is no bigger momentum here. The slow it's going in a sideways momentum. So I am expecting a crash. Not, I won't say it is a crash. It is an accumulation phase for the whales, just to shake out the weak hands. Let us show me how we can see. I am expecting similar kind, maybe like this, maybe up to January like October 5th. I am expecting this has to be, maybe it can extend more also, but after that it can go straight to the $14,500. Let us see here. I am expecting once the retesting or correction has been completed of BTC within the next week. I'm just waiting for this week has to be completed. Like it will go on to $14,500. Why I'm saying $14,500? I think everyone should have this question. Let us go to the weekly chart again, just to have a glance of why I'm saying $14,000, $14,500. Let us go to the Fibonacci extension, take it out. See, this is the support level, the resistance zone, and taking the bottom. See where exactly this $14,500, 14,480 to approximately $14,500, that is our Fibonacci extension of 0.702. That is the main key reason. This 0.702 Fibonacci extension is the very key level. So I am expecting it will go for this resistance zone, and again some like consolidation will happen if at all that US elections are November 2nd and December 12th. Some good things will happen. If at all it can go, it went on to 14,500 by within this November, it can go for sideways, and again some correction will occur, and again it will go for the rally. This is my entire synopsis of BTC USDT pairing. The first, I am not going to the longer term in this video. So for the short term time frame, what I am expecting is just it has some give BTC for the consolidation and accumulation phase for the next 1 week. Then after it can go for the bull market, bull rally, $14,500. That is what I am going to say here. You can see here also just the reason, that is the reason. See, it has been a red candle also happened. So just a little bit stock as in the weekly chart is below bottom. So I am expecting a little one more week. Just wait for one more week for the clear cut idea of where the market is leading for the BTC USD pairing. If you like my video, click like and subscribe my channel for more videos. My technical analysis is not a financial advice and only for educational purpose. Do your own research and trade, as crypto is very high volatility market. This video is not sponsored by Virex or anyone. Please follow my Twitter account, Telegram channel, link mentioned in the description button. Thank you everyone.